This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good morning, Arizona. I'm Scott Passmore, and here's the latest stories we're following on this Wednesday from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. The state reporting another 4,800 new cases of COVID. As of Sunday, our average rate is at 21%. That ties the highest percentage, which we hit back in June. We were at an 18% average just last week. Sadly, another 108 people died from it. That means 7,530 Arizonans have lost their lives because of the virus. Doctors across the valley and the country are preparing for a 1-2 punch. They say we're already seeing a surge from Thanksgiving, and with Christmas next week, they're worried about another surge. Valleywise Hospital says its ICU is completely full, but the hospital says it's still accepting patients who need critical care. The president of the Arizona Medical Association says even without a pandemic, this is normally a very busy time of the year anyway, and that even though there's a vaccine, now is not the time to stop being vigilant.
Since we know the holidays are coming up, and I'm all for celebrating the holidays, but we have to do it differently this year, because if we do it like normal, we're going to see these numbers continue and really push our resources to the edge.
Dr. Goldberg tells us we also need to do our part, wear masks in public, and continue to social distance. 10 people looking for another place to stay after a fire broke out at an apartment complex near 35th Avenue in Dunlap. We're told the fire sparked on the first floor, where smoke detectors alerted the woman who lives there to get out safely, but sadly, her 2 dogs did not get out. In all, 3 units damaged. They're still trying to figure out what caused that fire.
Well, it was a chilly morning across the valley in the 30s, but we should warm it up nicely today to 65 degrees. 67 tomorrow. We'll be at 70 by the end of the weekend.
And for updates on more stories we're following, you can download our app and subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Scott Passmore. Have a great Wednesday. Be safe out there.